it's doing the zoom deal, take her easy. Alright. Keep that tip up, keep them in between those two rocks. Yep. Sorry. All good.
I broke a rod like this.
No, you ain't gotta worry about breaking a rod down here. If it's too big to break it, we're to snap the line already.
I want you.
Nope. Cat. I guarantee it's a cat. See, I knew mine was a bass because it jumped right off the bat. And we want to go to the left of that rock. We don't want to get on that rock. Nope. Like that. Get in between here. It's like a steer in a butt. Gigantic butt. Nice.
Catfish?
Nope. You see how he rolls? Catfish like to roll.